Ling!
I did not do anything. I swear.
You knocked out forever roof.
Siobhan, I did not do anything. I swear. How you putting that on me? I can't wait until we watch this back. I cannot wait until we watch this back.
I'm so...
Another video. Today we have a special video. We're going to be making
gingerbread houses.
Gingerbread houses.
But with a twist though.
A big twist.
Today's video is going to make you
laugh or get in the Christmas spirit.
Get in the Christmas spirit. It's nice and cozy in here. We have our tree. We're recording in a new space. Welcome.
Welcome.
You feel welcome?
This Christmas.
Okay, I'm focused.
Focus.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You see it lighting up.
Subscribe.
And hit the notification bell.
Yeah, you want to be in the notification gang. We have a big task ahead.
Yeah.
We're building gingerbread houses blindfolded.
Blindfolded. Why blindfolded? Why not?
Spice it up a little bit, you know?
Spice it up a little bit. These are our boxes.
I hope she got the ones for beginners.
Actually, no, I didn't. Make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video to see how our gingerbread houses turn out. And you have to vote on which one you like the best.
You don't want to miss it. Let's get into the video!
Alright, let's open these bad boys up. I went and put the candy from the boxes in a bowl. Ta-ta! Little, these are gummy trees. So cute. And I got some, dang, what are these called?
Wax.
Wax.
Twizzlers.
Twizzlers, that's it.
Also known as just wax. Are you Twizzler fans out there? I think Twizzlers is the most overrated candy in history.
It's like road trip candy.
What's your favorite candy?
Ooh, yeah, what's your favorite candy, like, of all time?
If you can only have one candy the rest of your life, what candy would that be?
What's yours?
Mine would be Reese's.
Oh, yeah, because they make you run faster?
No, Tootsie Rolls.
Oh, yeah, Tootsie Rolls. I knew one of them made you run faster.
Tootsie Rolls make you run faster. Put it in your sock, you run faster. What's yours? Yeah.
The peanut M&Ms. I'm gonna add to the fave.
Every candy is...
Look! I see something I'm very excited about. Do you know what it is?
Yes.
What?
The little gingerbread people.
It's a gingerbread person!
I knew it.
I can't wait to get it out. Smells good.
I'm sure
Look at this.
What's the story with the gingerbread?
What you mean? When his leg get broke off?
Yeah, but what is that? Isn't that a story?
Yeah. He's I don't know, but I want to name mine.
It's two of them.
I know! It's me and you, babe.
What I'm trying to do is feel every piece to know what it actually is before I put my blindfold on. Who's going first? I'll go first.
Make sure you cannot see it.
You're tight. I can't see.
I don't trust you. Hey, let me...
Excuse me. My eyes are down here.
Okay, we're going dark. In 3, 2,
1. Alright, let's get into it.
Oh, it's like really dark. I'm putting my ears back on.
These are scissors.
Okay, we're doing it. My icing's not coming out. I gotta cut my hole bigger. I gotta look though.
I feel like Asia Payne when he was cleaning his blindfold.
Alright, I'm back
You
on
get
it.
it?
Alright, so this is the top of my house. Right?
Ooh, this is a big piece. Alright, this must be the roof because it's too big.
I gotta figure out how to glue right on the side.
You know when you go to a house and they say it got coat bones? They talking about this part.
Yeah, we're about to have some bad bones.
Big bones.
These little bones.
I'm not skinny, I'm just little boned.
Alright, so I think I have icing on. Boom. Sticked it. Let me hold it. It seems like it's standing up.
You got icing on it?
Yeah.
What?
Moving and shaking. Shaking and moving. Building my gingerbread house. You don't know what you're doing.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to get in the groove.
Blindfold building a gingerbread house.
Let Using the frosting for gluing.
Using the frosting for glue. Lee!
Her house is falling down.
You knocked it over!
She bringing the property value down. I think we're supposed to put the house together
and then
decorate it blindfolded.
Decorate?
I think that's the thing.
It sound like you quitting.
I just don't think this is gonna work. We want people to want to like live here, you know what I mean? If you think about it, if you get the gingerbread house, right? Something go wrong, you know what I mean? Another pandemic, all the grocery stores are closed. You can eat pieces of your house. Ah.
Big facts.
Big facts, big facts.
Okay, so I glued the back or the other side of my house. I'm icing on this side of my roof.
I'm just loading it up with frosting. Hoping they catch. And what I do, babe, I hold my ring finger in the corner and I start right there.
I don't know what right there is. I can't see.
Oh, a lot hit my hand. Can you see it? Because some hit my hand and it didn't. It's not on my hand anymore.
I'm gonna put the roof on now.
I'm gonna try to put my roof on it and get this extra frosting on my hand.
You feel like it's sticking?
I think my roof is too big.
What you mean?
I did it the wrong way.
I believe that side is secure.
You know what I'm gonna do?
What you gonna do, Lee? What you gonna do, player?
What you gonna do with all that frosting?
All that frosting on your hand. Other side of the roof.
Just keep it going to the other side.
It's not like you're doing a lot over there.
Because I am doing a lot. It's frustrating me.
Let's try to put the roof on.
Strong got her roof on. I really hope this icing is going on. If this icing isn't going on, I'm not gonna have enough icing.
Lee, you're rocking the table.
I'm not.
Did you do it on purpose?
Do what?
Oh. Lee, whatever you're doing is shaking the table.
Shaking the table.
Making my foundation unsturdy. Stop eating the icing. Stop eating it. I can hear you eating it.
Oh, I think I got one side on.
Good job. High five. Lee! Yay! I'm gonna start decorating now because I think I'm sturdy.
Oh man, I got both sides on.
Oh no.
What happened?
I don't know. Something fell off. Lee, my roof fell off.
You got a convertible. That's the new joint. You went too fast, baby.
No, you were shaking the table.
I did not shake the table right then. My hands was literally on the house. I was raising the roof.
Not funny.
My house gonna pass inspection and yours isn't.
All right, so let me just try to put my roof back on. I'm not gonna be mad about it. Ish happens.
Roof fall off all the time.
Lee!
I did not do anything. I swear.
You knocked out forever roof.
Siobhan, I did not do anything. I swear, how you put that on me?
The freaking camera died.
The camera died, guys.
So this is how far we've gotten, and we're just gonna regroup.
We gonna hand ourselves 2 minutes to finish up.
Then show you guys the finished product. So I'm looking for my gingerbread person. Where is my gingerbread person? Here's one. I was thinking to glue him on the side as if he were putting up the decorations.
Hanging the lights.
Ta-da!
So Siobhan, what's your favorite Christmas movie?
My overall, oh no.
Yeah, Rose Frazier.
My favorite Christmas movie is The Santa Claus with Tim Allen.
The Santa Claus, or like they said in Preacher's Wife.
Sandy Claus.
Santa Claus.
Lee,
Yes.
what's your favorite Christmas song?
My favorite Christmas song is Silent Night by The Temptations.
Ooh,
Merry Christmas. Temptations.
you gotta go a little deeper than that.
Merry Christmas. Temptations. Merry Christmas. Temptations.
Good job.
What was your favorite Christmas present?
I got these little black patent leather shoes, y'all. They were my freaking favorite. I was like 5 or 6.
So fly.
Some black patent leather shoes with a little heel on them.
That's crazy.
That same year, believe it or not, I saw Santa Claus.
My gingerbread guy taking a smoke break.
Gingerbread man, gotta get a smoke on. You ready?
Finish.
Wait. Let me just do one more gumdrop.
One more gumdrop!
Okie dokie. Ready to reveal? To look at them?
In 3, 2, 1. Reveal.
It's bright. Oh. What do you think?
Yours look good.
You think so? Oh, I
Even
like
if I can
yours.
see.
I like the icing.
My house is what you would call one of one. My house is avant-garde. This area is called Tin Roof Sunday. That was your house. It looks poorly constructed, man.
Shut up. This is my house. This was the door. This is the door, but it fell. These were the windows, but it fell. See those little, that peppermint bully at the front? Fell. But look on this.
Something fell off yours too. No!
So who got the better constructed house now? Oh, wait a minute. Down goes Frazier. I got my gingerbread man on the house. He was putting up the decorations. That's his cane. He walks with the cane. Some of his decorations didn't pan out well, but you know.
Yours look like the church and preacher's wife.
St. Matthew's.
St. Matt's. That's a staple of the community.
But there you go. Those are our blindfolded gingerbread houses.
And we should show them the other ones.
Okay, look at the other ones. After Thanksgiving, the same night, we have our nieces stay over, and every year we do official gingerbread houses. This is my house from this year. Ta-da! And that one is Lee's. It's really nice. Lee's is really good.
What you guys think of it?
Isn't that nice? Thanks for kicking it with us.
Yes, you made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like,
Comment,
subscribe.
like, comment, and subscribe.
We love y'all.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! All right. My house gonna pass inspection and yours isn't.
Yeah.
This really just happened. My house literally just fell apart. All that time.
Well, at least we can eat it now. Gingerbread House ASMR.
You can survive off this house.